Hey curl friends, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another quick video for you, so let's get started. So I've already washed my hair at this point like I normally do. I'm just re-retting my hair a little bit because when I do my wash and goes, my hair needs to be soaking wet. So I've already washed my hair with a cleansing conditioner called Bye Bye Builder by Uncle Funky. This is one of my favorites just because I love using cleansing conditioners and it's very moisturizing. And then I always follow up with a deep treatment. So I am deep conditioning with Heal and Renew, their intensive hair mask. Now this mask is, you'll see once I start putting it on my hair how it goes on so easily, and it helps detangle if you haven't detangled already. I know a lot of people like to wait to do this step, so I'm gonna show you here. This is one of the major parts that people do differently. So for me, I'm going to show you this side how I brush in that product. A lot of people like to just put the deep conditioning mask over their hair, they work it in, and you see the difference. So I've combed this through, all my tresses are covered, and over here you can barely see where the product is even penetrating your hair. So that's why I always love to make sure I brush my product through, because you can see the difference very clearly once you start working that product into your hair. It kind of just starts building up on its own, so you really don't have to use much. So this mask will definitely last you a long time. With any deep treatment, I like to use heat. So after this, brushing the product through thoroughly, I will sit underneath a hot head cap for about 20 minutes. If you don't have a hot head cap, you can use a dryer, blow dryer, whatever works for you, but make sure you use heat. Next up is the Leave-In Curl Revitalizer Thirsty Curls that I like to use when I'm doing a wash and go, when I don't want to have my hair completely weighed down. This is a perfect light leave-in conditioner to use for a wash and go. This product will hydrate and condition your curls with coconut milk, and it also has chamomile in it, which will also help you with hair growth if you're having a problem with that as well. So next up for the magic, that is Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So I love this product. I use it for a number of things, but this is really gonna take your wash and goes to the next level. Now watch closely. This is one of the parts where one of the don'ts that you don't want to do for a wash and go. As you can see, I am paying attention to the hair that I can see, and there's a spot right next to where I'm pulling on right now that I'm completely missing entirely. So you will see how much of a difference that makes once my hair fully dries. I did not know I was doing this, so I didn't do this on purpose, but it's just to let you know that every wash and go isn't perfect, but you'll see what I mean once my hair dries. But as you can see, I'm paying very close attention to making sure that my shingling method with my fingers is perfect. So I'm trying to make sure I go through each strand, making sure they're separated so they can dry nicely. And I moved over to the other side, completely neglecting the rear of my head. So I'm thinking I'm getting all my strands, but I'm really not. So this is one thing that you really want to pay attention to when you're doing a wash and go, to making sure that you have all parts of your hair covered. Because if you're paying this close attention to the strands, as you can see, I am very particular right now going through to make sure everything's coated, it will result in a beautiful wash and go. But you have to make sure that you get your entire head, and you'll see what I mean here shortly. Now when I tell you this curly magic is magic, it will tame frizz, define and elongate your curls. It's fortified with aloe vera, horsetail and nettle to strengthen your hair, stimulate growth and provide shine. It also has marshmallow extract, which prevents dry scalp and provides slip. So this is a must-have for any wash and go. So here we are where I think I am pretty much done here with my shingling, and I've got all my strands covered, and here we are fully dry. So I'm just going to get a little bit of jojoba oil on my hands to help break the cast of my curls. So as you can see as I'm doing this, and you notice that frizzy area that I neglected, so that's what happens. You can see the clear difference between the curls that are fully coated with Thirsty Curls and the Curly Magic. They're beautiful, shiny, moisturized curls, and then you have that small patch back there that looks dry and frizzy because it was neglected in my shingling method. So it's very important to make sure you coat your entire head. No, I didn't do this on purpose. This really happened. So I just wanted to show you how every wash and go that I do is not perfect. All my styles aren't perfect, but you can clearly see the difference, how moisturized and defined that my curls are using these products. I love these products together, and it's not always a perfect style, but you can clearly see that my curls are defined. They look healthy, moisturized, and I'm in love with them, even though it wasn't a perfect style. I'm just gonna come in closer here for you. You can see that my curls are nicely defined and moisturized, and the part that did not have any product on it at all is a clear difference. But for instances like this, Uncle Funky's does have you covered. You can use DeFunk, which is the hair refresher tonic, for any situation like that you may come across where your hairstyle didn't come out as great, or if you want to refresh your day 3 hair. So that's also something that you can use. Overall, I do love these products. I swear by them. I use them for all sorts of styles. I've done flexi rods, perm rods, and this now is a wash and go that I've done in the past. So you can get all these products at Rite Aid, as well as their travel kit, which has Thirsty Curls, Curly Magic. It even has Super Curl, Extra Butter, and Midnight Train in there as well. So head over to Rite Aid to get this travel kit. It is a must-have. And if you want to also shop online, there is a 15% off code using Jas'ColoredCurls, and I'll have all that in the description box. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.